All right, hey grade 7s, this is a little explanation of some of the Mathletics assignments. This one is under probability, and it's called Find the Probability. Here's an example. A bag contains 3 gold marbles and 4 brown marbles. That's all that's in the bag. There's 3 and 4. What is the probability that a brown marble is chosen? We know for probability, we put the number of favorable, so we're talking about brown marbles. So look, how many brown marbles are there? There are 4. And on the bottom is how many possible options there could be. So it's all of the numbers added up. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then you quickly look, can you simplify that fraction, put it in the simplest form? No, we can't, because 7 is a prime number. So we click on that, and that's that one. Here's a more complicated one, but it's still the same process. In a class of 27 students, so that's how many students there are in total. 10 students play hockey, 14 play football, and the rest, which we don't know, but we can find out, play soccer. Okay, what is the probability that a student that plays football is chosen? So if we're going to choose football, so we look, we find those who play football. There's 14 students that play football, so it's 14. And then out of how many possible things, there's 10, 14, and then the soccer, which all adds up to 27. It's 27. They often give a clue if it's a question you have to simplify, but I have seen where it doesn't. And one last example, in a class of 21 students, 5 students play hockey, 14 students play football, and the rest play soccer. What is the probability of them playing football? So let's look. It's still 14 for football. And how many students in total? It's 21 students. But we need to put this in simplest form. Look at those numbers. What number can both those numbers divide by? They can both divide by 3. So let's divide both by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 14 divided by 3 is 2. Actually, 21 divided by 3 is, 7 is, let me reword that. 21 divided by 7 is 3, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. So it's 2/3. Okay, here's one that's similar to one that was on the quiz. Cards with the numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are randomly placed face down on the table. What is the probability that a card with a 2-digit number is chosen? So looking at these, which numbers are 2-digit numbers? There's 2 digits in 10, 11 has 2 digits, 12 has 2 digits, and 13 has 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. And how many total? There's also the 9. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 4/5. I should mention this. What this is saying here is P means probability, a capital P, and then in brackets is an explanation of probability of what. That's the what that is in those brackets. So it's not, this isn't these multiplying, it's just a way to show what the probability is of.